Okay, pulling this puppy out here. We did remove this charge pipe right here. Should probably stuff some rags in it. That is an intake to the turbo. And we got those are the hard to access bolts that have the aluminum bolts. But Dimitri came up with the great idea to use these metal GM exhaust manifold bolts on the flange when we get the new one, so you can use a magnet to start them. So what happened on this guy, the spring's broken on this and the vacuum thing's broken in there. So we're not gonna bother. Just got a new one on its way. Then it went down in here, like so, and that flange was a problem, especially since the bolts were aluminum. So on the installation, we are going to do an American metric bolt conversion to try to simplify it. Told him about your exhaust bolt upgrade. Yeah, I show.
I mean, there's plenty of room.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can use a magnet to line them up into the same thread, into the bolt hole.
Swivel on this.
It's all blind.
Yeah.
So you use a magnet and use a magnetic
you can
swivel,
see the top bolt that you
magnetic socket, and get it started.
Swivel it.
And it's going to be a whole world easier than those aluminum bolts that were in there before. So there you go. That's this one's out. That's how we're gonna install the new one and go from there. Okay. Got the new new EGR cooler installed. And let's see if we can get it.
Get way off. There you go.
There it is. All right. You can see that gold bolt. That is a GM exhaust manifold bolt from an exhaust manifold bolt repair kit. Same thread, same length, and it's made out of metal, so you can use a magnetic socket.
And simplifies your job by about 2 hours.
It saves about 2 hours.
You're gonna be there trying to put that bolt in, super gluing.
Yep.
Super gluing it to
replacing
to a tip like this.
Where's the old bolt?
This is the old bolt.
Yeah. These ones are aluminum, so you can't use a magnet, and those are metal, and they got regular bolt heads like this, so a magnetic socket, easy peasy.
See, like you can't really stick it on this because as soon as you start moving around, the thing falls off.
You can spend a full day trying to line up that flange.
Bolts, yeah.
So, little trick to simplify these EGR coolers on these diesel 3-liter X5s, and just finishing up this thing here now. So there you go. It's like 45% or 80% of the time of the job is those two bolts.
Yeah. That's the only one we're gonna see here.
Yep. And I just gotta put a couple charge pipes and coolant hose in the radiator fan shroud assembly back in there.
You're gonna put the shroud in first.
Yep.
Then you'll do the charge pipe and then
that's it.
run it and keep our fingers crossed.
Yeah.